Tratos SkyWrap, with its extensive 40-year track record, is the premier fibre optic cable system for aerial power lines. This reliable solution has been successfully deployed in over 40 countries, including remote and hard-to-reach locations, instilling confidence in its reliability and performance. SkyWrap's technology is ideal for efficiently installing fibre optic cables on existing overhead ground wires or phase conductors. With specialized equipment and installation expertise, Tratos SkyWrap offers a solution when the environment or terrain poses access challenges or the existing line structure is too congested or complex for other cable options. Moreover, Tratos SkyWrap can be installed with minimal disruption to the electricity supply service or structural redesign. Before installing Tratos SkyWrap, the precise terrain and route are surveyed. Cassettes, comprising a single continuous length of cable wound onto 2 drums, are engineered to the required length. Installation begins by hoisting wrapping machines and a cassette onto the line at a starting location or spin point. The cable joining the 2 drums is secured to the host conductor, and then the wrapping machines commence their work. Radio-controlled tugs pull the machines away from the spin point over the conductor in opposite directions. Each machine can wrap up to 1 meter of cable per second. Each wrapping machine may travel along several spans until it reaches a tower designated as a joint location, where the cable drum will be almost empty. The installation then leaps several towers to the next spin point and works outward in both directions again. One machine heads back to the previous joint location, while the other wraps towards the following joint location. Once the final joint location is reached, the remaining cable is securely clamped to the conductor and fed through a conduit that leads down the tower to a joint box. The upper end of the conduit is attached directly to the conductor, ensuring complete protection of the SkyWrap cable. Installing Tratos SkyWrap is both fast and efficient. 8 linesmen and a pair of wrapping machines can cover distances of up to 5 kilometers per day, minimizing your investment. Multiple teams can be deployed along the route to increase the installation rate. The required equipment is basic and easy to transport. The small, lightweight cable imposes minimal loads on existing tower structures, eliminating the need for additional strengthening. If no ground wire is available, the cable can be wrapped on the phase conductor. The ease of access to complex sites, the size and maneuverability of the equipment, small installation crews, and rapid completion make Tratos SkyWrap the ideal solution for installing fibre optic cables on overhead power lines. SkyWrap is a turnkey solution. Tratos provides planning and management, cable and accessory supplies, installation, warranty, maintenance, and ongoing support. When standard cable installation processes aren't up to the task, choose Tratos SkyWrap. Since its first installation in 1982, SkyWrap has been the go-to solution for challenging locations. By choosing Tratos SkyWrap, you are choosing the world leader. Learn more at tratosgroup.com.